Yeah, guys, yeah, it's True because again, it's Pumele Zimba. So, guys, today, what I want to tell you guys is just um, one of the Overwatch videos. So, guys, I just want to tell you that first thing that we all need to understand is how to draw. If we can draw, then we can create cartoons which are perfect. You see, but we have to master drawing first. If we can master drawing, then we can do anything, guys. We can do anything. So before last time in my previous video, I told you about the donation that I will need some donation so I can buy a lapel mics, so that the my cartoon got excuse me, so the cartoon can got a good sound quality when someone talks, good sound quality, things like that. So guys, what I would like next like is I will wish guys first to draw and understand the basics of drawing, like the picture on screen. Those people, those were the good old days. They didn't last. And please guys, also please notice the motion. Look here in this corner, we have what's so called the picture. You see the stones are moving slowly and slowly. Even those stones are also moving. So guys, please understand the motion. Understand the motion or anything that happened on this piece of video. On this piece of the video. So guys, do you see the motion in this short video, in this short clip? So if guys you notice the picture, what is drawing is just clear. It's just the camera. Only the camera is moving. Nothing is in. What you have to understand is that the camera is moving. So that's why we have to notice the camera is moving. The cartoons, the people are not moving at all. The stones, the flags are not moving. Do you see these flags? This flag is not moving. Only the camera is moving. So we have to understand how to draw. Our enemies blew up our. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. You did see happen, guys. Like in the clip that I showed you, in the short video that I showed you, is that it's just an introduction. So first thing we have to do, we have to create an introduction. We have to create an introduction. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, guys. So as I told you, first thing we have to understand is to create pictures for the introduction. So first thing that we need to understand is the cartoon that you are currently planning to do, what the cartoon is about. Like, do you want a cartoon about music? You want to make cartoons about people making music, um, fighting, romance, horror. You have to understand those kind of things. That that we have to understand. So let me first use this. So name of the cartoons that I'm planning to do. Um, so first thing we'll be making an intro, and if you notice in the intro, nothing is moving, only the camera is moving. A lot of pictures and the camera is moving, and we have also we have to understand the dimension is the understand, like we'll use the bigger the dimension, as you know, the bigger the dimension, the clear your cartoons will be. Is vector levels. So the main character of my cartoon will be vector levels, of which is derived the name come from levels come from True Levels Records. So it's vector levels. Vector levels are, of which R means vector levels are uh, okay guys, what else? So now guys, let's go back to understanding the concept of what we will be doing. So we can if you can see your paint, this bar will tell you this is 100, is 1000, and when you go to this side it's also 1000 because this is 900, then this is 1000. That means it's 1000 times 1000 pixels. Understand? If you want to prove that, we can say Control S, of which is save, and then you press, then we can go straight to our photo pad. We can insert the image such as, just to make sure guys. um uh, so then this is an image we took from photo pad, and is 1000 times 1000 pixel, as I told you guys. So guys, what I would like to do first thing guys, I would like to increase the size, of course, and not I want to increase the height. I want to increase the size to be 1400. Okay, let me put it to 1000. Let me put it to 2000, because if you didn't notice the picture, nothing is moving, only the camera is moving. So I want my camera to move from left to right. So that means if the camera will move from left to right, there must be more details moving to the right. If I wanted the camera to move from top to bottom, I will increase the height and make the image to go down or something like that, guys. I can explain. So guys, so we also need to understand the 3Ds. So this is, so if we keep on zooming guys, we have to understand what we call our 3D. Like, let me draw something which is 3D. So let's use this team line. Okay, let's move. Yes, then let's zoom out. Do you see this image? Then we do it like this. So we're trying to draw something which is 3D. You see, when you're making cartoons, you also have to notice that um I would also like to show you some trick, guys. So when we're talking about cartoon, if I will paint, if I want to paint what I just draw, if I want this to be red, that means also the lines must be red. You see, then I would like to also use this and put it straight here. You see, so I want this to be brown, so means our line must also be brown. Everything must be brown. Control Z. So it must zoom clear. Put everything to brown. Everything brown. Okay. Okay. Let's leave it like this. Okay. Let's leave it like this. So guys, what else we can do? We can zoom clear. We can also use this brown. Leave here. Just to make everything realistic, guys. Okay, let's zoom out. So I really don't know what I'm drawing, but I would like to change this to be a gravestone. Okay, guys, let's go again to the I didn't make the I didn't make the orange even the part of Overwatch. I'm just trying to create my own cartoon. Understand? But for those guys, I just looked on how so what else, guys, you can notice in this image is that everything is brown, nothing is in color. So we can also do that, and we will use the method that I showed you guys last time. Like we create new image and we click brown. You see, then you say okay, we'll use this method. I know if I say Control A, then I'll come and paste it this side. Then I decrease the opacity. The image will be that brown, little bit brown, so that that's another method that I will be using. And if you look to this drawing is realistic. It's like they didn't use a pencil to draw it. They click here and like they paint what they wanted to do. Understand? And I think we can notice that uh, okay, let me screenshot this picture and show you everything. So let's study that image. If we can study that image and analyze everything in that image, we can do anything, guys. Of which now currently that is what we plan to do, to analyze the image. So the moment we start, to the moment we create, the moment we start our cartoon, we understand everything. A lot of things. So okay, guys, back again here again. So guys, what do we have to notice, please, guys? Um, if you don't agree with me, just leave a comment below, and please, guys, let's work together. If you got something to add, you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, we can do this, we can do this. What about this? What about this? Now, so guys, do you understand? Okay, I can see here there are about 4 images. So this image, do you see this part I'm drawing? This guy, this guy, is the background. Understand? Then this is the second image. This is the second image. So let's use color green for the second image. But what they did is they use this transparent selection. This is the second image, and this one we can also classify it as a second image. But this person, do you see, it's like what I did last time when I was doing the hair, when I was drawing the hair like Arab. So this person can be on top, understand? And this is also the second person. Is the second image, the second image, the second image, the second image, the second image. Then I use this one, and they draw this person, this guy, especially on his image, and they use what's so called a green screen, a green screen. Do you see? Let me say, like if I'm drawing someone, let me see, this is a guy I want to draw. They will draw this guy and do this guy like this, and this is the guy, of which this guy is the main character. What you need to understand, this guy is the main character, and they use what's so called a green screen. So when they put the image, they will remove this green color, and they put that image in top of that image. Oh, I lost that picture again, guys. Do you understand? And they use this guy, and which this guy is a main character. Do you see? So what else we have to notice, guys, is and we go also called additional guys. So here those are also this image and this image and this image come from the same image, like it's a one picture, but they also use green screen. Do you understand? This is the green screen. These people are just looking to this guy. Everyone is looking to this game. That means we have to master and draw someone who is great. Do you understand? So in my next video, guys, please leave a comment below, guys, if you want to add something, if you want to teach me something, guys. So this is how last time after I made that video, I just chilled and looked at this and looked at the cartoons and try to understand everything, guys. And this is what I came up with. Understand? So, guys, I don't want to create a person right now because I really don't want the video to be long. But we can create the face of the person. Do you understand? We can create the face of the person. So let's look this hollow. And the picture, this image is not that big. Do you see? Is 132, 700 to 800. 7, 10, 24. Yeah, that means we do something right. So yeah, guys, in my next video I will draw the face, show you how to draw the face. Thank you guys for watching. In my next video I will show you how to draw the face. Here I hope you did understand everything I told you, the green screen, and I will emphasize everything more. The more I make more video, the more I will tell you guys how to make things understand. I don't know how I can say, but guys, please keep watching, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.